Hi, welcome to the Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off vibration on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the touch. Then in the sport in the touch, scroll down and then find the vibration. And as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. When the vibration is enabled, when the switch is off, all vibration on your iPhone will be disabled, including those for earthquake, tsunami, and other emergency alerts. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button, just like this. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off vibration on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!